Hey, in this video you're going to see how to attach a file to an email on Gmail, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is start composing a new email and then add contact like here and subject and then message. Now click on attach files icon. This new window will open. You need to select the file you want. So example here, I'll choose this one PDF file. Here you can see that the file has been attached, so you can add more files if you want to. And finally, to send the email, just click on send. That's it. So another method is by dragging and dropping it from a folder on your computer. Let's try it. So first is just open the folder where the files is. And then when you see the file, just drag it on the email and then drop it to your composing mail and click send. So that's basically how you attach files to email on Gmail. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.